Here's an easy way to import data into R so you can start running your analysis. To demonstrate, I have an Excel spreadsheet with some spicy data that I may or may not have made up. Although I'm using Excel since it's so common, this works with files from SPSS, Stata, and SAS too. In the Environment section, mine is in the lower left, click the Import Dataset button. This is also under File in the upper left corner. Since my data is in Excel, I'll select From Excel. If your data is in SPSS, SAS, or Stata, this is where you'd select the appropriate option. Click Browse. Locate the dataset you want to import. Then click Open. Before your data is imported, you can change the name of your data, select specific sheets or ranges to import, and even define missing values, like if you use -9 for missing values within your spreadsheet. Although R is usually pretty good at detecting numbers versus characters, you can manually change the type of each variable. In the bottom right-hand corner, R shows the code that it will run in the console to import your data. When you're ready to go, click Import. And just like that, your data is imported. You can see the code that was ran in the console and the dataset in the Environment section. Now you're ready for analysis. If you like this video or would like to hear about other topics, subscribe, hit the like button, and leave a comment.